Easy, healthy campfire cooking recipes. Cooking over a campfire is a satisfying activity. But forget the hot dogs and s'mores. Let's explore some easy and healthy campfire recipes. Foil wrap veggie medley, versatile and requires minimal preparation. Grilled chicken skewers are a campfire classic and can be made healthier with a few simple changes. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. This one requires advanced prep but is really good. Campfire backed apples, a classic treat that everyone loves. To get the recipes, go to Dragoyle.com and select Dragoyle Diary. Thank you for watching, and please share this video